Want to add a stunning video slider to your WordPress site using Elementor? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that step by step so you can enhance your design and impress your visitors. Start by heading to the back end of your WordPress website. From the left-hand menu, click on Pages and then go to All Pages. This will display all the pages you've created on your site. Pick the page you want to edit. Let's say you select the example page. Click on the Edit with Elementor button to launch the Elementor editor. Once the editor opens up, scroll to any empty section of the page. In the left-hand panel, use the search bar and type Video. You'll find a widget called Media Carousel. Drag and drop it into your section. And just like that, a video carousel will appear on your page. As soon as the widget is placed, the Settings panel will change to Edit Media Carousel. Under the Content tab, you'll see a section labeled Slides, which includes multiple items like Item 1, Item 2, Item 3, and so on. You can delete or keep as many items as you want based on your needs. To edit any item, for example, Item 1, just click on it. This expands the settings where you can choose whether your file is a video or an image. For video, click on the camcorder icon. You can either upload your own video or paste a video URL into the video link field. You can also set a thumbnail image for your video by clicking the ++ icon. This lets you select and upload an image file from your device. Don't forget to add a title and caption for your slide while uploading the image. It gives your carousel a more polished look. Once that's done, you can duplicate the item by clicking on the tiny copy icon. This creates a new item with the same settings. All you have to do is change the video link and image, and you're good to go. You can also add more items by clicking on the Add Item button. The process stays the same for each new slide. Scroll further down, and you'll see additional settings like Effect, Slides per View, and Slides to Scroll. Let's say you keep the effect as Slide and set Slides per View to 1. As you click through the items, this number will automatically update depending on how many slides you want visible at once. If you keep scrolling, you'll find options like pagination. By default, it's set to dots, but you can switch it to fraction based on your design preference. Once everything is set up the way you like, hit the Publish button at the top right corner. Then click the Preview icon right next to it to see how your new video carousel looks on your live page. That's it. Your Elementor video slider is ready to go. And like this, are you ready to design like a pro? Elementor is my go-to tool, and you can try it out using the affiliate link below to get started right away. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow creators. See you in the next one.